Today, we're now exploring unsupervised learning, where the computer groups data that does not contain any labels. In unsupervised learning, computers don't have labeled data. They find patterns in the data and group things together based on their similarity. For example, sorting pictures of dogs and cats based on their features, even without knowing the names. Unsupervised learning has two types: clustering and association. Clustering groups similar items together, like sorting fruits based on shape and color. Association finds patterns in data, like discovering which items are often brought together. Maya wants to explore how unsupervised learning works by grouping similar things together. She decides to sort her toys into different groups based on features like size and color, collecting a variety of toys for this task. First, Maya needs to collect the dataset of toys, including details like the toy's size and color. This data will be used to train the model. Now, she trains a model using the dataset. The model learns how to group the data points into clusters. After training, the model takes new toy images and groups them into similar clusters. The results show that toys with similar features, like dolls with faces and hands, are grouped together, while vehicles like cars and trucks are sorted into another group. It organizes items based on their main features. Maya and Momo have learned how machines can sort things into categories on their own using unsupervised learning. The journey of machine learning has been full of exciting discoveries. Thanks for joining us on this learning adventure. Keep exploring, stay curious, and there's no limit to what you can discover next with machine learning.